Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, hello everybody, and Luke Wright. Luke Wright is back, and wow, what we're going to look at is a very interesting technique that Dad is showing me, amazing Dad, of a way of cleaning the aluminium wheels on the Yamaha XT660R. So let's get into it and see what Luke Wright means. Let's go. Yeah.
It's showtime.
This is going to be a short video here at Luke Rides on the Yamaha XT660R. Yamaha built the front and rear wheels bare aluminium, just bare finish like this. There's no paint, there's no lacquer, just a finish like this. So what happens over time is the aluminium surface corrodes. It's worse if you put your Yamaha XT through winter with all of the salt and all of the rain and all of the horribleness, and then you get all those little bits of corrosion right along here. So this is an interesting technique. This is something that my amazing Dad is showing me. So you can take something like Final Solution, water glue, or water, and what you're going to do is take this aluminium kitchen foil, which is aluminium, and then you're going to rub the surface once you sprayed the surface, like so. So you're happy you sprayed the surface, and what you're going to do is you're literally just going to rub the tin foil up against the corrosion, and the theory is this is going to help wear away the corrosion. That's the theory anyway, so just experiment, give it a go, and yeah, just keep brushing away really. Work on one area, work on the next area, work on the next area, and just keep scrubbing. That's quite interesting, isn't it? Just by rubbing a small bit of kitchen foil like this. Look at all the black residue that's come out just by scraping the corrosion. So I'm going to keep going along. What you're going to do, again, you're going to take a small piece. Small piece like this. Sink it up into a little ball.
Cool.
And then you're just going to keep scrubbing. Remember the Final Solution. So this is an example of what the XT alloy looks like now. Some of this, what you're seeing is a lot of road tar deposits. Now we're going to see the after. although there's a bit of residue left by the final solution, that is quite a lot different to how the alloy actually used to be. And mostly the tin foils just helped remove a lot of the road tar and deposits on the alloy, but you could go through the same process again in 2 or 3 more times before you really get every single corner like here, as it is pretty manual work. There's a difference already.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
And just be very remember that this is bare metal. This is aluminium. If you try to do this on a painted surface, you would destroy the paint underneath. So only use this technique for bare metal. You must only use this technique for bare metal only. Yeah.
So thanks for watching everybody at Luke Rides. It's quite interesting, and what you get is actually the technique of using the tin foil and the final or the tiers of white angels. Wow, what it's done is it's helped remove the years of carbon deposits and road deposits on the wheels because they're not painted. So Yamaha wanted those aluminium wheels not to be painted. They were made in Italy at the time, which is, wow, that's quite interesting. Yamaha had the wheels made in Italy, although, but she's an old motorcycle, so as she goes through winters and the road, lots of little carbon fibre deposits go onto the aluminium wheels. And it's really good how actually you can tell once you attack wheels at least once using that technique, don't they look good? They look dull. They look, yeah, like you can notice a difference just by looking at the alloys, which is like, whoa! So worth doing on your Yamaha XT660R if it has the bare aluminium finish that Luke Rides has. There are other XT660Rs though that didn't get that, and instead Yamaha made an update where they instead painted the wheels black so that it would hide all the road salt deposits, carbon deposits on the wheels, give the XT a better look, give the wheels a better look as they get used, as the years go on. So yeah, really good. Thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Yes, you can. Yeah, really good, yeah. Really good, yeah. Love it. Brilliant.